Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Alright, so we need to open up our settings. In here, scroll down a little bit until you find backup or copy data. And here we have option to backup or copy data, but the second option, as you can see, copy data using Android switch, is used to bring data from another device, so we can't, copy from this device to another. We can only bring from another device. So we need to click on backup data. In here, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged in. Also below, we also have the storage space, and also the percentage, how many percent we are using currently, and also the free space. It's the gray line. Okay, make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled right in here. And remember that if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you are making the backup. So in my case, it's that mail. Okay, so now if you want to create a backup, simply click on Backup Now. Now I need to confirm using my lock screen. Okay, we can see on the bottom of the screen that backing up process is starting. And something went wrong, I don't know why. Let's try again.